Hanji students, very good morning. I am Murthy, your history teacher, going to teach you theme 1 bricks, beads, and bones. And under this theme, we were reading about Mohenjo-daro, a planned urban center, on page number 5. And in this topic, I have taught you that Mohenjo-daro was very well planned center or site of Harappan civilization. Mean earlier plan of city was designed by someone. After designing the plan, the houses settlements were built. This is the meaning of this topic. And you know the city. 1 minute, Betty. Yes, Betty. And the city has two sections. It's a unique feature that Harappan civilization was the development of urban centers, and each center was divided in two parts. One part that was a small, that is known as citadel, and second part that is known as lower town. It was big one. ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था. It was big in size and it was small in size and it was high on higher place and it was on lower place, lower town or lower place. It was for a special building like authority. Authority means king's palace, warehouse, or you can say great bath. Such type buildings are found on this platform on Citadel. And in lower town, we have seen that common people or it's a residential area. Means common people were living here, and both the sections of the city were fortified. Fortified means they have wall around it. It has also wall around it, and it has also a wall around it. I think this was a for security purpose, and in this way, this city was planned, and and the houses or buildings were built with a brick, baked bricks, or you can say bricks that were dried in sun. Means the bricks were used which were baked in fire as well as dried in sun. And you know that this has a very standardized ratio. This city standardized ratio means if your height is 10, then your width is 20 and your length will be 40. Mean this standardized ratio was used to make this city. And these things I have already taught you. Now I am going to teach you 3.1 lying on page number 6. You have to keep book with you so that you can get each and everything clear. Maybe screen sometimes not visible, but I try my best to make it visible. And under this 3.1, we will read about laying out drains. This is one more unique feature of Mohenjo-daro, or you can say Harappan civilization, that was drainage. Drainage means drainage system was very unique. Drains means जो हमारी नालियां होती हैं to drain waste water. They were made that time and it was very unique feature and they were made in a very careful manner. Means what they did, one of the most distinctive features of Harappan cities was the carefully planned drainage system. I have already described. They made drainage system with great care. If you look at the plan of the lower town, you will notice that roads and streets were laid out along an approximate grid pattern, intersecting at right angles. You will ask, what is grid? Bete, we have made equal lines, this type, this type, and this one is grid. This is a grid. Mean there in, the roads are intersecting or streets are intersecting at the um, right angle, means 90 डिग्री के कोण पे एक दूसरे को काट why this made it is made to uh, make the roads very clean for sanitation. Winds, blowing winds will make the roads clear. That's why they did this planning. First, streets and roads were built, and along roads, what they made drains like this way. Drains were earlier made. After making drains and streets, houses were built. You see their pattern, their system, their planning. Earlier they made street with drains. After that, houses were built. It is mentioned here grid pattern intersecting at right angles. It seems that it is mentioned here. It seems that streets with drains were laid out first. पहले उन्होंने streets and drains बनाई, means street के साथ नालियां बनाई, and then houses built along them. फिर उनके साथ houses बनाए. But our government, we people, what we do? First we make houses, then we make drains and or streets. That is not a good planning. According to Harappan civilization, if we compare it with our civilization with Harappan civilization, if domestic based water had to flow into the street, 1 minute, bete. Flow into the street with a drain. Every house needed to have at least one wall along a street. Means every house has to make a wall along street so that their uh, wastes of water may be drained into main drain for the neat and clean purpose, neatness and cleanliness or sanitation purpose. And next is citadel. What do you mean by the citadel? It means citadel already described that it is a higher place. It is a higher place. While most Harappan settlements have a small high western part and a larger lower eastern section, there are variation. Means we have seen that citadel is always on the best, that is on a higher place, and the lower town is always on the eastern sides, that is lower. Means both are made on platforms, but it is very high than lower town. So what we have seen that while most Harappan settlements have a small high western part and a large lower eastern section, there are variations. Means in Lothal it is different, in a Kalia Vanga it is different, and Banawali. Means every site or every city is divided in two parts, citadel as well as lower town, but they have variations. At sites such as Dholavira and Lothal, the entire settlement was fortified. We have already seen that this is the small place, and it is known as citadel. And this is the big place, big in size, and it is known as lower town. It is higher, it is lower. So both are fortified, means they have walls around it, and sections within the town were also separated by walls. Means maybe they have some section. They are also separated from one another with the help of walls. The citadel within Lothal was not walled out. If we compare all these sites with Lothal, Lothal is a site that is lying in Gujarat. But keep in mind where it is. Lothal is in a Gujarat. Lothal has not a wall. Means Lothal is not fortified, but was built at a height. But it is made, citadel is made on a higher place. So I want to explain that there is a variation. In no doubt we have seen many similarities, but sometimes we have to consider some variations also. So I think it is clear, students. So let me go to next topic, that is